Our Yeshin Group company supplies the ABS luggage sheets and the plastic handles in different colors. You can choose which color you like, and our luggage wheels in single wheel and double wheels for you choose. We supply the various designs and the different colors. So now we show you more designs for our luggage wheel for your reference. You can have a check. If any designs you like, you can contact us with the details. The colors and the designs we can supply for you. Also, we can open the new mode for you to produce your desired and your interested luggage parts. This is our luggage lock in different colors. Orange models and the TSA lock we can supply for you. Any color you like, you can send us the details. We can have a detailed communication. Also, we can supply the food stand and so on.